ElectraCast.
Meta AI is the personal AI to help you with whatever you need. Plus, it meets you where you are. Not only is Meta AI now an app, but it's also on the apps you already know and love: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Plus the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. It's easy to access wherever you are. So whether you're talking or texting, Meta AI is convenient to use throughout your day. Experience our newest AI that's tailored to you by downloading the Meta AI app. Try the Meta AI app today on the Apple App Store and Google Play.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for June 26, 2025.
NASA's fourth private astronaut mission to the International Space Station launched on June 25th from Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The Dragon spacecraft docked automatically to the station's Harmony module early June 26th. The crew includes former NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson, Indian Space Research Organization astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, European Space Agency astronaut Sławosz Uznański-Wiśniewski from Poland, and Tibor Kapu from Hungary. This mission marks the first time astronauts from Poland and Hungary have stayed aboard the station. They will spend about 2 weeks conducting science, outreach, and commercial activities. NASA is partnering with the Australian National University to test advanced laser communications on the Artemis II mission planned for early 2026. The Orion spacecraft will use infrared light to transmit high-definition video and data from lunar orbit, demonstrating a new, cost-effective communication system for deep space exploration. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers analyzed 111 edge-on disk galaxies, revealing that thick stellar disks formed first, followed by thinner disks over billions of years. Larger galaxies formed thin disks earlier than smaller ones, supporting theories about galaxy evolution and the Milky Way's formation. Derek Bailey, Launch Vehicle Certification Manager at NASA, oversees safety and design evaluations of commercial rockets, ensuring they meet NASA's standards. His work supports future deep space missions through industry collaboration. NASA's Citizen Science Project identified nearly 8,000 new eclipsing binary star systems using data from the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite. This combines artificial intelligence and public participation to advance stellar and exoplanet studies. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter is performing large rotations of 120 degrees to improve radar imaging of subsurface ice and rock on Mars, boosting signal strength and extending the spacecraft's scientific life. NASA scientists completed airborne and seaborne campaigns over California's Monterey Bay to validate ocean color data from the PACE satellite. Using aircraft flying low and research vessels collecting matching data, the teams ensure accurate satellite measurements, important for tracking ocean health and climate change. NASA released a composite image of the Andromeda Galaxy in tribute to astronomer Vera Rubin, whose work in the 1960s led to the discovery of dark matter influencing galaxy rotation. At NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center, Patrick Junin leads the development of advanced solid rocket boosters for the Space Launch System, continuing a family legacy and supporting Artemis missions to the Moon and Mars. On Mars, the Curiosity rover conducted rock analysis and atmospheric studies, measuring argon levels to understand seasonal changes in Gale Crater, helping scientists learn more about the planet's climate. Those were the key activities for NASA on June 26, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning into NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
I'm Iris, host of Or Whatever Movies and the forthcoming Powers of Darkness podcast. For the better part of a decade, we've been unraveling a literary mystery that begins with a strange version of Dracula. Yes, that Dracula. It's a different story, imbued with a potentially insidious agenda. What we've already found so far reshapes what we thought we knew, but the investigation isn't over. Support our efforts to finish what we've started and bring the full story to light. Go now to Kickstarter.com and search up Powers of Darkness to learn more. Coming soon on ElectraCast. wherever you listen to podcasts.
ElectraCast. ElectraCast.